In 2023, Shiba Inu was one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, and in just 24 hours, its price went up by 7%. This has made a lot of investors wonder where SHIB are going and if they are a good investment. Shiba Inu has had a great start to the year. Its price has gone up by more than 60%. It recently hit an intraday high of 15 cents, making it one of the 2023 coins that have done the best. The good economy has been blamed for the rise of the Shiba Inu coin because it made investors feel hopeful and encouraged them to invest in the crypto market. The success of this digital asset was also helped a lot by the way the economy as a whole was doing. Shiba Inu got more attention because Ethereum, a Layer 2 blockchain that Shiba Inu supports and is built on the Ethereum mainnet, is about to launch. Cointelegraph says that the price of Roman 11 has gone up in the last 24 hours because of the news of Siberian's launch on February 14. Shiba Inu's price has gone up by 6%, and it is now the 12th most valuable stock on the market, with a market cap of $8.2 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2 billion. The price right now is 15 cents. If the price of Shiba Inu goes past 14 cents, it could go up in value. This is because the 50% Fibonacci retracement supports the level, and if it breaks out again, it could head towards the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 0.135. The interest rate cut by 25 basis points by the U.S. Central Bank also had a big effect on how people felt about the cryptocurrency market. The fact that cryptocurrencies are becoming more regulated as a digital payment method may also help the cryptocurrency industry. Mark Yusko, the founder and CEO of Morgan Creek Capital Management, says that the bull market in cryptocurrencies is likely to start sooner than expected because of positive macroeconomic factors and expectations for the BTC. Shib is a Layer 2 network that would run on top of the mainnet of the Ethereum blockchain. This would let developers make and use decentralized apps, which would lower transaction costs and make the network easier to grow. In other words, the goal of Shiba Farm's development is to build a platform that will allow the community to grow the project and make the founder's original vision come true. So, members of the Shiba Inu community are showing interest, which could help the Shiba currency gain even more support. The Shiba Inu community has done a lot to make it harder for people to get SHIB meme tokens. Over 502% more coins are being taken out of active Shiba Inu wallets than before, which shows that their efforts have been very successful. Some tokens are burned, which means they are taken out of circulation and the supply. This makes the tokens more valuable. This makes it less available overall, which increases the number of people who want it and makes its price go up. Experts think that the recent announcement by Canadian crypto payment gateway FCFPay that it will support the three main tokens of the Shiba ecosystem, SHIB, Leash, and Bone on its prepaid Visa and MasterCard card is also contributing to the rise of SHIB. Soon, FKFPay cardholders will be able to preload their cards with up to $5,000 worth of SHIB, Leash, and Bone, as well as Bitcoin and other major stablecoins. Whale stats say that since it was created in August 2020, SHIB has gained a large number of investors and is now the most traded cryptocurrency among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. Crypto also holds the top spot in terms of how much money it is worth. Also, some people say that releasing the Shiba Inu Siberian layer to an extension of the Ethereum blockchain could cause trillions of tokens to be destroyed. As these tokens are used up, their number goes down and their value goes up. The Siberian blockchain will use SHIB as its native coin. This is expected to lower gas fees and help the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem grow more quickly. Over the past 24 hours, the number of trades of the meme coin has grown by a staggering 94%. Whale Stats also said that investors own SHIB coins worth a staggering $631 million. Over the course of a year, there were a lot more Shiba Inu held by wallet addresses. Over the past year, the number of wallet addresses that have held SHIB for more than a year has steadily gone up. SHIB's daily chart showed that bulls were in charge of the market, since most market indicators pointed to the possibility of the token's price going up even more. The MACD also showed a bullish crossover, which meant that bulls were in charge. SHIB's moving average with exponential Bollinger Bands showed that the price of SHIB was in a high volatility zone. This was because the 20-day EMA was well above the 55-day EMA, but the Relative Strength Index, RSI, was well above the overbought mark, which means that a trend reversal can't be ruled out in the near future. Even though the price of Shiba Inu on the market has gone up by 20% in the last week, the asset's burn rate has stayed the same. The burn rate of a cryptocurrency is the number of coins that are taken out of circulation. This is usually seen as a sign of how popular an asset is as a payment tool and how busy the network as a whole is. Even though the price of Shiba Inu has recently gone up, the burn rate hasn't changed much. This could mean that the asset is still not widely used as a payment tool. This is because most of the burning on the network comes from stores that buy sheep and send them to a burning address. And the recent drop in the amount of tokens being burned could be because there's less activity on the network or because the token is becoming less popular. Since the start of the new year, the largest meme coin has grown by a huge 74.41%, which shows how well the crypto market is doing. The upcoming launch of Siberia, a Layer 2 network, has brought a lot of attention to Shiba Inu. Siberia is meant to reduce the amount of reliance on the Ethereum blockchain by handling the majority of transactions for all Shiba Inu-based tokens, including SHIB, Leash, and Bone. This will lead to higher throughput and lower fees. In the most recent news about Shiba Inu, the value of its token has risen by 14% in the last 24 hours. This is more than any other coin in the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The price of Schwab went up the day after the Unification Foundation. Shabir and his team of developers gave an update on the Layer 2 project. This made the sheep army, sheep holders, and loyal supporters even more excited. The Unification Foundation gave a much-needed update on the Siberian project, saying that the beta launch date is coming up soon. However, neither the Unification Foundation nor Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusama have said when sharing it will come out. Many of the Sheep Army said that February 14 would be the date. Because Satoshi sent out a cryptic tweet that has since been deleted, people are full of such ideas. The tweet was easy to read. Before putting Siberia in a heart-shaped box with a bow, learn to play the flute. In Unification's blog post, they also talk about the successful testing of the Oracle solution on the Barium Alpha network. This is another SHIB Barium update. Based on their price predictions, they think that SHIB will have a general upward trend in 2023. The meme coin could go as high as 196 cents, which would be a reasonable 39.4% increase over its current market price. Coin Codex also thinks that SHIB will keep its current price pattern until 2024. Coin Codex thinks that the market price of SHIB could be 2005 cents. If the growth of the token is similar to how the internet is expected to change over time. Still, you shouldn't use these SHIB price predictions as investment advice because the crypto market is still affected by a lot of things that could lead to big losses. Shiba Inu is one of the most promising tokens of 2023. Based on its current market performance and the upcoming launch of SHIB Barium, experts predict that it could go as high as 5 cents per dollar and as low